Oh, those are really good. Today we're making brown sugar cinnamon cookies. Come on in, welcome to my home. It's that time of year for cookies. So I thought I would do a different kind of cookie, brown sugar cinnamon cookie. I saw this recipe, thought I would try it. It looks really good. We're actually going to try it live together. I have not done this one before. Haven't done it at all, so we are going to do it. Yeah, let's just get to it. All the ingredients are listed down below. Also, the links to some of the products that I use are also down there. You can check those out. And remember, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. That way you know when I get a new video up. And you can make all these things that I make too. And it just makes your life so much better. It tastes so good. Let's get started with this. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is mix some dry ingredients together. I've got my cinnamon, and I've got my baking soda. And of course, if I were more organized, I would have had my whisk out, but I didn't. We're just going to whisk those together and then sit them off to the side. So next time you feel bad about not having everything out when you were supposed to, I do this all the time. That's why I have things like this. Alright, so we're going to take our butter and our brown sugar. You notice I am using brown sugar, not raw sugar. Brown sugar will make this taste different. I did not think that the raw sugar would give it the same taste. Alright, let's go. Now that that's mixed in, I'm going to add my egg. And I'm also going to add some, this is just sea salt. You can use regular salt. This is one of those things people usually don't see, is the whole, look, I'm mixing things up and moving things out of my way. Alright, once it's all mixed together, I'm going to scrape the bowl. Now, on low, we're going to slowly add in our flour mixture. Once that becomes a dough, scrape that down. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees. I am now going to drop these by the scoop, and I am using a cookie scoop onto these trays, and I'm dropping them about 2 inches apart. Ooh, they smell really good. I mean, really good. That is way more than 2 inches apart. Like, way more. Okay, now that these are on our pans, I'm going to take those over to the oven and bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're nice and slightly golden brown, then take them out and cool them on a cooling rack. Okay, let's give these cookies a taste. Those are really good. They are soft, they're moist. You can taste the brown sugar. It does make a difference. They're filled with a cinnamon flavor. This is so good. I'm actually surprised at how good these are. I will be making many more of these because they were so easy to make. Now, if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Don't forget to check down below in the description for the ingredients list and also links to some of the supplies that I use. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.